All right, without further ado, let us create our very first project with the Flask command, flasknew. This is going to be a super short video because it takes 2 seconds to do this. Actually, it takes 2 seconds to write it and then about 30 seconds to sit there and wait for it to build everything out. So we're just going to follow along here in the tutorial, use Flask new, and then write my project. You can replace my project with whatever name you want. So Flask new my project, and press enter, and then just sit back and wait. So I'll talk a little bit about what it's doing. It's downloading Python packages and installing them. It's building out files. It's setting up Tailwind, which is, if you've never seen that, that's how you style a website. Pretty much everyone uses that nowadays. And then it set up a database for you as a SQLite database. I'll talk a little bit more about this in future videos as far as the database. And if you want, you can see it. So if I do ls, I will see my new project. So I can cd in there, and I can ls, and you can see a whole bunch of files. I am hiding absolutely nothing. That is what I love about Flask, the framework. It hides nothing. You see all files. You can change them yourself. In the next video, we'll start looking into what you got here, what you have as far as your files and how everything's structured. So we'll see you in the next video.